Elephant Toothpaste by Yasmin. The scientific principle to my project is yeast being used as a catalyst. The materials I will be using for this project are hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, dry yeast, water, and food coloring. I start off with adding the hydrogen peroxide, a square of dish soap, and food coloring all into a clear bottle. Then, I mix my yeast and warm water in a separate glass. Stir for about 30 to 40 seconds. This part is very important. Lastly, I combine the two mixtures and wait to see the reaction. This happens because the yeast, being used as a catalyst, breaks down the hydrogen peroxide, allowing the oxygen atoms to be released, which then causes the foam to rise. I hope you enjoyed my demonstration. Please come visit us at the Utah Expo Center on February 22nd, 2025. Thank you.